The wilderness is alive with a hidden war. Every jungle, desert, and ocean is a battlefield. But this is no war of armies. It is survival, silent, ruthless, and unending. Here, patience can be deadlier than strength, and the most dangerous killers often move without a sound. Across jungles, mountains, and oceans, an ancient game of survival never ends. Predators sharpened by millions of years of evolution, and prey forced to live in constant fear. Tonight, we uncover the predators that rule their realms. Nature's most perfected hunters, creatures forged by millions of years of evolution. Welcome to Save Wildlife. The Phantom of the Night. In the cover of darkness, a shadow moves. The leopard, a predator built for silence. It stalks unseen, striking with lightning speed. Unlike lions that roar, the leopard thrives in secrecy, dragging prey up into the trees to feast alone. No witnesses, no rivals, only shadows. The great white shark, ocean's apex assassin. Beneath the waves, shadows glide. The great white shark patrols silently, sensing heartbeats and drops of blood from miles away. When it strikes, it bursts upward with unstoppable force, a torpedo of muscle and teeth. For millions of years, the shark has been the ocean's apex assassin. Its design so perfect that evolution itself has barely changed it. The snow leopard, ghost of the mountains. High in the icy Himalayas, a ghost roams the cliffs. The snow leopard blends into the rocks, its pale coat merging with stone and snow. It moves with impossible balance across sheer cliffs, chasing prey in places where a single misstep means death. Rarely seen, almost never heard, the snow leopard is the very definition of mystery. The wolf, the pack's power. In the frozen north, a haunting call echoes. The wolf hunts not alone, but together. A single wolf is formidable, but a pack is unstoppable. They communicate with precision, testing prey, cutting it off, and striking as one. In this icy wilderness, survival is not about strength, but about unity, and the pack never forgets. From the leopard's silence to the shark's fury, these predators define the rules of life and death. They are not villains, they are balance. To save wildlife is to protect this balance, to ensure that nature's greatest hunters continue their eternal dance of survival.